Um, that worked. Anyway, this is we're just getting warmed up. The morning bell. NQ that I've been practicing with. We're gonna do some drills. We're just gonna practice getting better. Excuse me. We're on the 15-minute chart. This is this is how you probably analysis a day. Some drills, doing some warm-ups, trying to get ready for the real game. Practicing big show, cheating yourself. Bounce makes you think. Are we buying? I don't know. We'll see. You already know, but price is going up. We want to look for places to buy. So we know that price is no longer. Buyers stepped in Friday, all the way up. Price comes, price breaks, starts to fall, and we'll selling. Let's just see how we can go. Would have been a good. And you want to look for clues of what the is. The whole point of practicing reversals, action. See, you can get hints. That right here. Right there. See that? Well, trading app. Not really. And there's tried to push price up, but it's already the end of the day. Everybody's then starts to get see you get a good very aggressive move, get a retracement. Because something had a lot going on this week. These are the things you are letting you know what the market is. This whole move right this could coming week. Already know what kind of exercise we're getting warming up. To buy. And if you're an intraday trader, trading session per session or day per day, being long swing. And now my voice. I don't know why. But if this is what you're doing, looking at day by day, not swing trading, you're looking at getting a couple points a day. This is what you want to do. We're going to look for up this right here. A little bit of a down right here. Could be a good place to get in. Buy. Stop loss right there. Bucks 2. Profit. That's a pretty good ratio, right? Stop down. Then look what happens next. Get this push. This is a good place to buy. Loss down. We're looking at about 1-to-1. Two bars back up. We're $27 in profit. Play that again. See, okay. We went in too early. So one of our problems might be go into. Thought it was a go. We didn't have enough information, especially with a handle like, all right, what the market's not sure what it's going to do. Let's see what happens next. We saw the push down and then the aggressive push up. And that's when we could have been like, oh, this is a good place to get in. About a 1. Once again, we already know. We may need to work on our. Now, back at it, we're looking for session. Back down. Low here, even better. It doesn't come back down. can always join London. So another thing is now that we can see that it broke this level, or erased that, more aware of what the chart is doing. Here, place the button. No, price is pushing up. We don't know for 100. Expecting price. No price in here. This is the zone right, spot where we know price could definitely break. Probability of price breaking this level high. But as we get higher, breaking here, probability gets lower. Here, high from previous news. That where we're headed? Are we going to see if we can and as we're doing this, you also want to pay it. Want to get out? Do I want to stay in? Do I want to push it? Do I want to play it safe? Right here, if you want to play it safe, got your 1-to-1 close profit dollars. You can just wait for the next setup. But in a decisive candle, light push up, candle of indecision. This is going. Pushing it. Because we broke the pre. That or test back down. Or test and then just these are things that you need to be possibilities that stand. Get out now with more than 5, or you can keep pushing it. And a lot of traders love to push it. You like, and this is the problem when you let your emotions get the best of you. I see far you can. Not so much you want that number. You just want to be like, push it a little bit more. And I push it a little bit. There's a thrill there. There's an excitement. It starts right. This could be good. This this could go up, could continue. Is push also that keep pushing it a little bit higher. Now you're 5 minutes. By an hour, you get this small push. We're doing it. Going for it. Good sign right there. It's a push up. It also means that they'd push it. Start sinking. You're like in 80. Now the adrenaline's rushing. Now your brain is just trying to figure out what I do. Smart person, safe person gets out now, $4 profit, and waits for the retest, waits for the setup. It's in late. We're gonna put bam right before. Not bad. And you've made 100. It's not all about just trying to score. It's all about what is the market. At this point right here, market is indecisive. I mean, even this down, we're looking to buy. Would this be a good place to get in? Start, but this would pay. This is a good sign. Up, so once we can see that the tide is somewhat, I could tell you, is this a good place to get in for a buy? And to see if we can get a better price to buy. See this next one. All right, so we got another doji candle decision in the market. Gonna do this. Is this the opportunity we've been waiting to get in? Right up that up as soon as took, and we up. I'd be it, but we'll wait and see. Then got this move, and that's where we get in. That's okay. Move, and then a looks like the buy. When the probability, the odds are in your place to. Let's say we got out, have R. In, and then you look for the next set. He doesn't get another decision. Just want a break, not convince prices. Get a good. We can get it. Trying to figure out what price is telling you. These candles are. While you could have made money, would have taken 50 an hour, almost 2 hours. This amount, or just even to come back down. So it wouldn't have been worth it. It's been waiting. Not have been waiting for the best possible opportunity. Get right. this. We can continue to. Bam, you're stopped out. Up right after. And this might be the candle we're. Let's see what it says next. Market can. Will it push? Our take profit won't. Looking at, and we hit it. That was a good trade. That was 2 trades. I don't know. You got 2 trades. You're up $92. 4 hours. Math right. I don't know. In a couple hours, few hours, you've made 2. And you don't have to go in bigger. You can also go in much smaller if you want to save. Key is we're looking at what, not about this number. This number. It's about chart. Right? Did we understand what I'm saying? Did we take huge push? Huge push down right here. This could be telling us what the next setup is going to be. Looking for buy. We looking for sells now? Let's see what the so we may be looking to sell. How will we know it's selling season? Top loss. This area. You can even play it safe. This area. Ooh. Terrible. So close. What happened? Forget it. That's could have been it. Right. Price was or take profit. See this. We were just a fraction of a point off. Remember, last session, being in the buy. We got tweezer bottom right here. We were trying to get back in. should have stayed on the buy side. It wasn't time to sell yet. Safer setting up. Touch. Need to be setting up. What are we? Trying to learn myself. Handles are not. So now you guys see, okay, smart me would get out at break even. The pusher, I keep pushing it. Light push up. There we go. Push it or do it. Probably. I'd probably. At which, at this point, I probably would have. We're not doing this for the number. Focus on we're above this line. Barely breaking Tokyo high. They're not pushing at all. Got a decent profit. See what New York also will retest and bounce up. It's telling us. Price is telling. Price is saying bounce off this zone. This area. That area. Since it see it's see what strong. The bounce. It's still too early to tell. Aggressive traders would sell here. And stop. And at this point, and I don't. It's like oh, should have stuck with our bias. of the clue. It's just that guy that read the market. Also want to get out. Have a nice move up. It's 10 to stopped out, lost out with $100. So what was the market? What's enough? Push up right here. Join us. That the sellers are getting aggressive. Buyers. This right here. This is what should have been cut out right there. That sellers are up in this area. This is where the sellers are. Of course, we know. Is this turning the tide? Is this? Let's see what the candle. Light push up, but not enough. Now inside this bar. Right? Get in yet? Stop loss. That is almost $200 stop loss. I don't think that's. Let's see. It's racing now. Love to get out here, but I would probably buy. This is not like getting out of this in the price. See, have to learn how to read the market. This could be got robbed of half of our profit. So when you're doing replay, not so much about am I make profit? Can I make money? Of course you can because it's replay. And you know what's going on. It's not about the profit, it's about reading what see. Or at the beginning of even in Tokyo, it's pushed. So we're looking right here aggressively. Closing, it's trying to take profits, leave for the day. It's London. Excuse me. So that's what you're trying to do. You're doing the trading, back testing, not looking at how much profit you figure out how to read. This is what you should be doing every day. Step up to the market. It is now 8 o'clock. Market opens in 30 minutes, 20 minutes rather. I think we're good to go. It's a little bit more. So can you. That is what we do every day, every morning session. Go ahead and do that. Practice, practice, practice. Let's get that batting average to 1,000. Let's try to be the best traders. Not just make money. Hit those. Take those hits. I'll try to remember to bring some water tomorrow so that this raspy voice. This is killing me. This I don't know why. It's just streaming earlier Minecraft. And now it is what it is. So with that in mind, go ahead and start. Excited. That it. See you guys next one. Of course, always remember, neurons that fire together, wire together. Until next time.